Hey guys, I want to show you exactly why I had initiated that second long. So you can see here in the plan, I said that we were eyeing 729 calls again for a day trade out of our demand zone. Alerted by it open QQQ 729. This is our second long trade for today. The plan was basically let's watch 303 to 301.50 for a bounce. This is rally-based rally demand. Okay, so with that being said, step one is to identify the levels and then look at the macro structure, right? So we are making higher highs and higher lows. So the expectation is that as long as these lows are holding, the expectation is that we're going to get a run of the highs, right? Because that is what happens, right? We're making higher highs and higher lows. So knowing that, you could see here, we were making higher highs, higher lows, forming demand, which meant that the most recent low was 301.50, which means that this is our critical support level. So we're bullish above that. So we identify our demand zone, and you can see here we had a beautiful pop, right? So we had two entries today. So I'm going to show you exactly why we had taken the second entry. Okay, so the first entry was right here, was right on the first test, which is more aggressive. You can see that we saw a very nice pop that paid us, I forgot, 25%. And then the second entry, I patiently waited for structure, right? So on this particular time frame, we were making higher highs, higher lows, right? Which meant that we needed to see a break of structure. We needed to see a change of character. We needed to see that break with strength for an entry. So with that being said, this was the most recent high right there. So I patiently waited for the break. You can see here that we broke with candle bodies, no wicks, with strengths, which told me that buyers were getting back into control. We were also in demand right there. And then I waited for the entry for the pullback, and we entered right there. And we are up almost $3.70 then. So anyways, I waited for the initial test of demand here, right? And then here we started to form some structure, and then I waited for this high to be broken. And then you can see here we get that lower highs, higher lows broken right there. Wait for the pullback, entry there. Stops are somewhere below here. And then it's just a beautiful, beautiful pop we just caught.